Sources tell ABC News the royal family of Qatar is preparing to give President Trump a super luxury Boeing jet to serve as the new Air Force One. Here's ABC's Selena Wang with the details.
Sources tell ABC News the Trump administration is preparing to accept the gift of this super luxury Boeing jet from the royal family of Qatar. The 747-8 jumbo jet would be used by President Trump as the new Air Force One. President Trump toured the new plane this past February while it was parked here at the West Palm Beach International Airport, calling it, quote, a flying palace. The current Air Force One fleet dates back to 1990, the next generation being built by Boeing, riddled with years of delay and cost overruns. Back in 2016, newly elected Donald Trump balked at the cost.
It's going to be over $4 billion. It's for Air Force One program. And I think it's ridiculous. I think Boeing is doing a little bit of a number. We want Boeing to make a lot of money, but not that much money.
But in 2017, 1 month into his first term, negotiations with Boeing seemed to be moving forward.
We're also working on the Air Force One project, which was a difficult project for previous administrations, but it looks like we're getting closer and closer.
Boeing's most recent estimated delivery date is now 2027, but Trump has made it clear he wants a new plane this year. Just before the end of his term, ownership of the plane would transfer to the Trump Presidential Library Foundation, according to sources familiar with the proposed arrangement. The unusual and unprecedented gift of this luxury jet is sure to raise questions about whether it's legal for the administration and ultimately the Trump Presidential Library Foundation to accept something of this value at $400 million from a foreign power. But sources tell ABC News that White House lawyer David Warrington and Attorney General Pam Bondi concluded it would be, quote, legally permissible for the donation of the aircraft to be conditioned on transferring its ownership to the Presidential Library before the end of President Trump's second term. Selena Wang, ABC News, Washington.